Here are some natural remedies that may help to reduce the appearance of acne scars. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has natural healing properties and can help to reduce inflammation and promote the growth of new skin cells. Lemon juice. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which can help to lighten dark acne scars. Honey. Honey has antimicrobial properties and can help to reduce inflammation, promoting the healing process. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains alpha-hydroxy acids, which can help to exfoliate the skin and reduce the appearance of acne scars. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory properties and can help to moisturize and soften the skin. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties and can help to reduce the appearance of acne scars. Here is a detailed guide to using natural remedies to reduce the appearance of acne scars. Choose a natural remedy. Aloe vera, lemon juice, honey, apple cider vinegar, coconut oil, or tea tree oil can all be effective for reducing the appearance of acne scars. Cleanse your face. Wash your face with a gentle, oil-free cleanser to remove dirt and oil from the skin. Apply the natural remedy. Depending on the remedy you have chosen, you can either apply it directly to the skin or mix it with a carrier oil like coconut oil. Use your fingers to gently massage the remedy into the skin, or use a cotton swab to apply it. Allow the remedy to absorb. Let the natural remedy sit on the skin for at least 15 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Repeat the process. Repeat this process once or twice a day, as needed. It's important to note that these remedies may not work for everyone. And it's important to do a patch test on a small area of your skin before applying these remedies to your entire face. If you are experiencing severe or persistent acne or acne scars, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment.